In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fade your colored videos to black and white in Adobe Premiere Pro. To begin, I've imported this clip onto my timeline. To fade this from color to black and white, the first thing you need to do is to select your clip over here and go over to the Effects tab and search for the Lumetri Color effect. And apply this effect onto your video layer over here. Next, move over to the Effects control here and move your time indicator to the start of your clip and scroll down under Lumetri Color. Select the basic correction over here and select the arrow drop down. Next, scroll down and toggle on the stopwatch next to saturation, exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, white and black. And move forward to the point where you want your videos to begin to fade to black and white and toggle on these stopwatches once more. And move further in time to the position where you want it to be completely black and white. And at this position, change the value of saturation to 0, increase the value for contrast, reduce the value for highlights, reduce the value for shadows, reduce the values for white, and reduce the value for black. And if we go back now and hit play, you can see what we've created over here. And that's it, guys, on how to turn videos from color to black and white in Premiere Pro.